Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the migration of fungi from the aquatic environment to the land. As we have discussed in the previous lecture that the fungus is likely to be originated from an aquatic protist which contain different types of flagella for their movement. So in order to move from the aquatic environment to the terrestrial environment to the evolutionary adaptation which happened in the fungi to move to the land environment was the development of hyphal growth or the development of hyphae, the ability to grow hyphae and to lose the flagellum because it no more needed flagella to move on land. So these were two evolutionary significant steps which took place in the evolutionary history when fungi moved from land to the aquatic to the land environment. Now, why there was a need of development of hyphae? Because in fungi we know that hyphae have the ability to grow rapidly and cover large surface area. So this probably arose due to the necessity to infect much larger organisms or to increase the surface area or to surface of the influence in order to sustain their saprophytic lifestyle. Saprophytic lifestyle mean to feed on the decaying or dead organic material and convert them into simpler form to simply absorb in their body for in order to fulfill their need for food. Now, after they successfully moved to terrestrial environment, there was radiation of lineages, means many different phylum or the species of fungi they developed in order to occupy different ecosystem on land, means in the terrestrial environment. For example, Zoopagomycota, it became primarily associated with microbes and other metazoans, while other clades, for example, Glomeromycota, Mucormycota, and Dicaria, they primarily became associated with plants. Because of their saprophytic lifestyle or parasitic lifestyle, they cannot survive on their own because they cannot produce food. So they had to associate themselves with the different organisms. So there were two radiation in their lineages. Some of the clades of fungi, they were associated with the microbes and metazoans, while the other shifted to their association with the higher plants.